Hello trade boosters, welcome back to a new video based on the Heikin Ashi candlestick indicator and our OBV. All right, this is a volume indicator down here that is going to help us get entries. So I'm just going to explain to you how it works so you can know how to use it. All right, cool. So there's two rules to this strategy. Number one, wait for price to be oversold, or wait for price to be overbought. As you can see, to be overbought right here. So I'm gonna change the color of this and just use entry zone. Yeah, I'm gonna use blue from now on. Cool. So that's your entry zone. As you can see, then once you are at your entry zone, you want to see a spike from your indicator. From your volume. All right, you want to see a spike. They don't look too big, but you can see those are like tiny spikes that you see right there. So once you get a spike, see we had a spike here and we had a spike here. That was a good trade to take because we had a spike and our price was overbought. And you can see down here we had a spike and our price was oversold. See there we had a spike, therefore we take a buy trade here. As you can see, that would be a nice buy trade to take based on those three confluences. So in essence, we need all these two indicators to align in order for us to take a trade. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.